Good morning, everybody. This is Johnny S with another 6 vlog. In today's video, we're going to discuss about, I'm going to call it a type of pandemic, something which is happening lately. It's a little bit windy. I do apologize for the wind. So in today's video we're going to talk about boredom, being bored. Before we do so, we're going to have a little bit of an introduction as per usual. So my name is John, or Johnny S, whatever you want to call me. I'm a 44 years old married guy. We got a little young boy, 7 years old. I love that little guy. He's hilarious. We're living in Greece, Athens. Grew a big portion of my life in Australia, and hence why we are speaking in English and why I've got this channel. This channel is mostly done for personal reasons and not for social. And that is a little bit about me. We're on top of a Yamaha 6 Raven Black Edition 2006 model, and today we're going to talk about boredom. There will be specific places where I'll speak less and drive more. I hope you do like those instances, especially once we go through the toll gates. I've been making a few videos in Greek, so to all my English speaking people and only English speaking people, do not worry. There will be no issues or topics that I will not go through in English first. So give me 1 second, we'll go through the toll gates and we will be right back. And we're back. A little bit of an acceleration, baby. I do see a little bit of traffic today. It's either that or people don't know how to fucking drive. It's only one of two possible causes. Take a little bit faster because we are running a little bit late. Not gonna kill ourselves obviously, but yeah, a little bit faster. the first time you lean in the bike, the tire shows a little bit older, and it hasn't not been touched. So you gotta take care. You gotta gradually lean into it. So there is traffic today. It's not just people driving stupid. This is one of the few roads in Greece where you take it a little bit fast and enjoy it. And like fucking faggots. Because the speed limit to be tragically low. This guy is not using his flash. He doesn't know what a flash is, let alone use it. But it's alright. We're trying to skim through the traffic. If you ask me why, nah. There's so much traffic. I cannot tell you, my friend. So we got our winter jacket. These last few days we went a little bit overboard with the jacket stuff. Come on, homos. Let's see how the traffic outside of this is. Yeah, we'll have to go a little bit faster. We've made good time. So our top is not a huge one in any way. So it's okay. We'll have enough time. There's not much traffic here, awesome. So we're going to talk about boredom. It's one of the issues that we've seen lately with many people, including old ones, young ones, kids and everything, and I will advise a couple of steps to take against that, especially when we're comparing it with the older times where this was not an issue such evident. So I am speaking from a from a father's perspective. So as a parent, I've seen that my kid keeps on saying that specific word. Oh, I'm bored. Oh, dad, I'm bored. Oh, I'm bored. Oh, I'm bored. Yeah, okay. You're bored? Get on board. There's no compass here. No compass. And I think the reason for that is, when it comes down to it, really, is just technology. Technology has gone spastically overboard to the point that our attention span is very short. People have gotten addicted to TikTok, quick things, which, you know, we scroll through, not a lot of attention, not a lot of patience, not a lot of this, not a lot of that, which is fucking moronic, you know what I mean? Yeah, if you knew what the fucking lanes are all about, it would have been a good idea. Look at those fucking idiots. Anyway. Gotta love the sound. So, and that's why people keep in schools and in everything, they keep on saying, hey, your kid has got ADHD, whatever the fuck it's called. Attention disorder, deficit, my ass is on fire or whatever. And I will advise to try to get both your kids and yourself to do things which are a little bit based on the old ways. Meaning, get your kid to draw something, get your kid to do something like that. Yeah, remember not to change fucking lanes. Fucking stupid people. Get him to do something which requires more of an attention span rather than scrolling. Me and my wife, our kid, we do not allow him to go to the internet, let's say. He's not using any mobile phones, nothing at all. And you might say, how are you gonna do that? How do you do that? We're doing it. We're already fucking doing it. To the point that I had a big fucking argument with his grandmother because she was giving him mobile phones and shit. And I told her, if you give him a mobile phone, he ain't gonna fucking come over here again, ever. And she shut the fuck up. Those crackling noises on the bike gets my fucking dick hard. No matter how simple as that. So yeah, it is doable. We have done it. It is doable. You can do it. And that brings our boy already at a place which is like 90% better than most other kids. Most other kids, because they got the tablets and the shit. You know, one holiday we did a mistake of taking the fucking tablet, and he got aggressive with us. He got, you know, like that. And as soon as I saw that, I told my wife, fuck the tablet. I told you we should not have bought it. She was like, eh, just for him to have them. No, fuck off. And we put it on the side. All summer, it was beautiful. You didn't touch a piece of fucking technology. So yeah, you do that. Boredom is one of the worst fucking feelings. One of the worst fucking feelings. And it will bring other things. It will bring other things which are worse than boredom. But boredom is a first indication, you know, of something which ain't going right. You're gonna get your kids not to be able to focus on things. You're gonna be able your kids not to require attention. And even from a social or a philosophical side of things, most of good, wise, let's call them things, do require time. Your kid gets bored, or if you get bored, you're not going to associate time. You're not going to be able to read books. You're not going to be able to do shit like that. Because everything's going to be fast-paced. Let's watch a movie. Watch like you read a book. It's a different fucking experience. It's a different fucking experience. So, I would like to thank you everybody much. It was a small topic that I want to discuss. I do appreciate you. Have an awesome, great day. And we'll talk soon, my friends. We'll talk soon. Goodbye.